How to put pictures in the TikTok comments. So let's get started. So you have to go and open up your TikTok application. Now from here you have to select the video and go in the comment that you want to reply, and from there you have to go in the comments, and from here you have to click on the reply option. And as you can see that here in the reply there is the video icon, so you have to click on it. Now from here you have to select the new photo, or you can also select an existing one from your camera roll, and once you select this you just have to go in the next, and here you have to again click on the next, and here you have to post this. Now here you have to make sure that the option of the link is the who can view this post. Here you have to select the everyone and click on the post, and after that you are able to put the picture in your TikTok comments just like this. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.